In today's video, I'll teach you how to stop phone contacts from finding you on Snapchat. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Snapchat application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Snapchat has been opened. At top left corner of your screen, you'll be able to find your profile icon. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. So what you have to do is access the settings. For that, tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings interface. What you have to do is scroll down. Now in the section for privacy control, at first you'll be able to find the option for contact me. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, friends and contacts. If friends and contacts option is selected, the phone contacts will be able to find you and contact you directly with snaps, chats, etc. So make sure to select the option for friends. Simply tap on the option friends. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Your contacts will no longer be able to show up in your chat tab. You'll turn off the ability for the contacts to reach you. Simply tap on this option OK. Now after you do that, you can see over here friends option will be selected. That means now your contacts will not be able to find you. So that is how you stop phone contacts from finding you on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.